Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Kingston model HJ1100. It's a 17-inch swing, 43.5 inches between centers, swings 10.6 inches over the cross slide, and will swing 24 inches in the gap. It's a D16 spindle with a 2¼ inch spindle hole. 7.5 horsepower, 3-phase, currently wired for low voltage. 52 to 2000, no, 35 to 2000 RPM. Morse taper number 4 tailstock. Comes with a hand wheel collet closer. There's the spindle adapter, the drawbar, some miscellaneous collets. Faceplate, looks like an 8-inch 4-jaw chuck. There is the outboard support for the taper attachment. That's a headstock dead center adapter. Some tool holders. That's the chuck key to remove the chuck. There's a phase 2 tool post with a holder in it. There's your taper attachment. You can see all the paints in the backsplash. Ways are good. Machine came out of a Votech school. We bought out all the manual lathes in the shop. They were replacing them with CNCs. So the machine's in good shape, just some minor dings in the paint, but nothing from use. Let's run it for you. Looks like we're in 950 RPM. It's a cross speed. Carriage speed. There's your brake. Brake works good. Let's see. Put it in 1350 RPM. Really humming. Let's see. Let's try. Medium will be 330 RPM. Faster feed. Faster cross feed. Machine has a micrometer carriage stop. Put down a low speed. I ran it through all the speeds, checked all the gears, make sure they're all good. Runs good in all the gears. There's the oil splashing up on the head. Slightly low in the window, I'll fill it, but a lot of times when they sit, some they'll drip a little, but that's good. I have to add a little to this gearbox, but there is oil in it. All the handles are on it. Let's go back up to a higher speed here. So high. Yeah, 650 RPM. That's feeding toward the tailstock. It's feeding out. You have all the stops on the stop bar. Cross slide's all in good shape, not grooved up or anything. Chips. The way wipers are all in good shape. Like I said, there's the taper attachments there, it's complete. And there's the clamp. Overall, a good clean machine. You can check this machine out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs. When you get a chance, check out our new tooling website. That's machineshoptooling.com. We're loading that up as we get time, but we have a little bit up there right now, so check it out.